Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. Master GIMS has been here before many times, so if you're a fan of him, make sure to subscribe to this channel. This time we have song Goku, and that's a nice song from him. Follows the same pattern he usually does with GIMS. He has a few chords, 3 in this case. We have this melody going on, and it goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario. So let's take a look at this cool song here, and we're gonna do that without any capo. All right, so we have 3 very common chords: the E minor, the D, and C. Let's take a look at the chords, and we're gonna start with E minor, and it goes like this. We have an added note to it, the 3rd fret E string. We'll come to that, but first you're gonna play open E string in the bass, then 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and the 3rd fret high E. Right, so there you have the E minor. Over to D, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord is C. And you're gonna play 3rd on A string, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so there you have the chords in that order. That will be from beginning till the end, played with E minor, D, and C. Let's take a look at the melody now, chord by chord, starting with E minor. So it goes like this. Okay, so what you do here is to play open E string in the bass together with 3rd fret high E. Then open B. Then open high E. Then open B. And then 3rd fret high E. That's it. So next chord is D, and you're gonna play it like this. So that is open D string together with 2nd E, 2nd G, and 3rd B. So you see, the best scenario here is to actually grab the full chord as it is. So that's the D part, and then over to C, and I grab that chord as it is as well, and you're gonna play this part. And that is to play 3rd fret on A together with open high E, then open G, and 1st B. That's the last note. All right, so E minor, D, C, slow 1 round goes like this. A couple of rounds in standard tempo, something like this. Right, so there you have the melody. Now let's take a look at the strumming, and we're gonna do that again chord by chord, starting with E minor. So I will come to the point where I show you how to get the notes. If you want to build in the melody into the strumming, we'll come to that, but first just straight downs and ups and claps for the strumming. So E minor, you can hold the full chord as it is. You're gonna play down, up, clap, down, clap, down, like this. Okay, so the first part was down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. And the second part is down, clap, down, with a pause in between. So if you put that together, it will be down, up, clap, down, clap, down. Okay, that's the E minor part. Then the D and C is played in the same way. And you play it in the same way as you started with E minor. It will be down, up, clap, down for D, and then down, up, clap, down for C, like this. And then C. And there you have one chord progression round of strumming. So, like this, from the beginning till the very end. And so on. Alright, so I mentioned you can build in the melody into the strumming, and what I mean by that is to get the notes. So if you start with E minor, if you go back to that part, you will have the starting with 3rd fret E string on the first down, and then the up, you can try to get the open B string, okay, since the melody is there. And then comes the clap, and then down. And now on that down, you lift off to get the open high E, because that is where the melody lies. So the starting point is. And then comes the down clap down. The melody goes on the open B and then 3rd fret high E. So you play the open B on the first down. Then comes the clap in between. And then 3rd high E. And then you do the same, follow the same principles for the D and C chords. So that is how you build in the melody into the strumming. And that is how you handle the GIMS song Goku. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you felt that this was helpful, please give me a like and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.